Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. Let's start with the skin prep. We need to moisturize our skin very well as it will help in avoiding cracks in foundation. Apply creamy primers only on the areas where you have large pores. Apply light peach to dark orange color correctors depending on your darkness. Do not dab too much as it will fade away the color. We need to apply concealer on eyelids for eyeshadow to pop. You must set eyelids with a setting powder, otherwise eyeshadow will stick and it will look patchy. I left color corrector for some time to let it set on skin. Then apply skin color concealer in very small amounts. You don't want to make your face look cakey. Let's move on to eyeshadow. Apply thick line of eyeshadow on lash line and then blend it upwards till visible crease. You can use highly pigmented blush as well for this step or a pink matte lipstick if you don't have a pink eyeshadow. Here I am applying darker pink shade. Apply purple eyeshadow with a small blending brush on lower half of the pink shade and blend both the colors with a neat brush. Take more if you didn't get proper color the first time. Start applying black eyeshadow from lash line and move upwards. I am using angular brush for it. You can do this step with gel eyeliner also, but you will have to be real quick as once it dries it won't blend. Blend black eyeshadow with purple shade with a blending brush. Now fill in the gaps between the eyelashes with black eyeshadow using same angular brush. If you have dark eyebrows, then you can use same angular brush as it already has product in it. I am using new brush to apply dark brown eyeshadow in eyebrows. As it is a subtle makeup, I am applying very less highlighter in inner corners. Apply your choice of foundation and blend till your hand aches. I like Biotique lip balm under lipstick as it avoids lips from getting flaky. When you take a cream product on a brush, dab it on back of your hand or a mixing plate so that the product divides equally on all bristles. Here I am using eyeshadow blending brush to contour my nose. Apply one tone lighter concealer on high points of face. Set full face lightly with compact powder. Apply bronzer on areas where you contoured with cream contour. Apply powder blush to complete bronzing and highlighting. I like to apply nude shade lipstick when I do bright eyes. One of the important tips while using mascara is that do not put mascara wand frequently in the tube, as it lets more air to enter the tube and it will dry out your mascara. Always apply compact powder on your neck. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Drop a comment below letting me know what did you like about the video and what could have been better. Keep sharing and supporting. Thank you.